Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss locomotion and movement top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. What percentage of body weight of an adult human is contributed by muscles? A. 20 to 30%. B. 10 to 20%. C. 40 to 50%. D. 30 to 40%. Answer C. 40 to 50%. 2. Which of these is not a characteristic of cardiac muscles? A. They work continuously. B. They are branched. C. They are not striated. D. They are involuntary. Answer C. They are not striated. 3. Which of these icons are abundant in the sarcoplasmic reticulum? A. Magnesium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Calcium. Answer D. Calcium. 4. Which of these do not involve flagellar movement? A. Swimming of spermatozoa. B. Maintenance of water current in sponges. C. Locomotion of some protozoans. D. Movement of macrophages in blood. Answer D. Movement of macrophages in blood. 5. Which of these statements is false regarding myofibrils? A. The A band is also known as the light band. B. Myosin is parallel to the longitudinal axis of myofibril. C. Light bands contain actin. D. Anisotropic bands contain myosin. Answer A. The A band is also known as the light band. 6. Which of these statements is not true regarding skeletal muscles? A. They are also called voluntary muscles. B. They help in the movement of food through the esophagus. C. They have striations. D. They are involved in changing of body posture. Answer B. They help in the movement of food through the esophagus. 7. Which of these is not a property of muscles? A. Extensibility. B. Excitability. C. Degradability. D. Elasticity. Answer C. Degradability. 8. Which of these structures has alternate dark and light bands on it? A. Fascicles. B. Sarcolemma. C. Myofibrils. D. Fascia. Answer C. Myofibrils. 9. Largest bone in human body is A. Ulna. B. Femur. C. Humerus. D. Tibia. Answer B. Femur. 10. The contractile unit of muscle is a part of myofibril between A band and I band. B. Z line and Z line. C. Z line and A band. D. Z line and I band. Answer B. Z line and Z line. 11. Total number of lumbar vertebrae in human vertebral column are A. 3. B. 12. C. 5. D. 7. Answer B. 12. 12. Xiphoid process is the lowest part of A. Pectoral girdle. B. Pelvic girdle. C. Lumbar vertebrae. D. Sternum. Answer D. Sternum. 13. What is present in ball and socket joint to reduce friction? A. Coalomic fluid. B. Synovial fluid. C. Pericardial fluid. D. Mucus. Answer B. Synovial fluid. 14. Select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of muscular or skeletal system. A. Muscular dystrophy, age-related shortening or muscles. B. Osteoporosis, decrease in bone mass and higher chance of fractures with advancing age. C. Myasthenia gravis, autoimmune disorder which inhibits sliding of myosin filaments. D. Gout, inflammation of joints due to extra deposition of calcium. Answer B. Osteoporosis, decrease in bone mass and higher chance of fractures with advancing age. 15. Myoglobin was the first protein to have its three-dimensional structure revealed. Ravi was diagnosed with myoglobin in his bloodstream. This had occurred due to A. Myasthenia gravis. B. Muscle injury. C. Conversion of HB into MB. D. Arthritis. Answer B. Muscle injury. 16. Bones formed by ossification of a tendon is called A. Dermal bone. B. Sesamoid bone. C. Membrane bone. D. Cartilage. Answer B. Sesamoid bone. 17. Which joint occurs between humerus and radial nar? A. Ball and socket joint. B. Sliding. C. Pivot. D. Hinge joint. Answer D. Hinge joint. 18. Which one of the following is the correct pairing of a body part and the kind of muscle tissue that moves it? A. Iris, involuntary. Smooth muscle. B. Heart wall, involuntary striated muscle. C. Biceps of upper arm smooth muscle fibers. D. Abdominal wall, smooth muscle. Answer A. Iris, involuntary smooth muscle. 19. The obturator foramen is a part of A. Skull. B. Spinal cord. C. Pelvic girdle. D. Vertebral column. Answer C. Spinal cord. 20. Articulation of femur with pelvic girdle is an example of A. Pivot joint. B. Hinge joint. C. Gliding joint. D. Ball and socket joint. Answer D. Ball and socket joint. 21. What is the central hollow portion of each vertebra known as A. Spinal canal. B. Vertebral canal. C. Neural canal. D. Axial canal. Answer C. Neural canal. 22. How many vertebrae do humans possess? A. 33. B. 30. C. 26. D. 22. Answer A. 33. 23. The presence of what makes the matrix of bones hard? A. Phosphate salts. B. Chondroitin salts. C. Calcium salts. D. Sodium salts. Answer C. Calcium salts. 24. Which of these is not a function of the skeletal system? A. Mineral storage. B. Protection of organs. C. Movement. D. Metabolism. Answer D. Metabolism. 25. The presence of what makes the matrix of cartilages slightly pliable? A. Chondroitin salts. B. Phosphate salts. C. Calcium salts. D. Sodium salts. Answer A. Chondroitin salts. 26. Which vertebra articulates with the occipital condyles? A. Atlas. B. Axis. C. Sacral vertebra. D. Coccygeal vertebra. Answer A. Atlas. 27. What is the shape of the hyoid bone? A. S shape. B. L shape. C. U shape. D. C shape. Answer C. U shape. 28. Which of these cells do not use pseudopodia? A. Macrophages. B. Amoeba. C. Entamoeba histolytica. D. Sperm cells. Answer D. Sperm cells. 29. Which of these statements is false regarding trachea? A. Some cells show ciliary movement. B. Foreign particles are directed towards the throat. C. The inner lining is made of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. D. Ciliated epithelium direct dust away from the bronchi. Answer C. The inner lining is made of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. 30. How many types of movement do the cells of the human body exhibit? A. 4. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. Answer D. 3. 31. Which of these structures is used to carry out amoeboid movement? A. Pili. B. Flagella. C. Pseudopodia. D. Cilia. Answer C. Pseudopodia. 32. Which of these cells show amoeboid movement? A. Macrophages. B. Ciliated epithelia. C. Columnar epithelia. D. Squamous epithelia. Answer A. Macrophages. 33. Which of these is an autoimmune disorder? A. Arthritis. B. Osteoporosis. C. Gout. D. Myasthenia gravis. Answer D. Myasthenia gravis. 34. Which of these statements is false regarding myasthenia gravis? A. It affects neuromuscular junctions. B. It is a genetic disease. C. It results in fatigue. D. It leads to paralysis of skeletal muscles. Answer B. It is a genetic disease. 35. Which disease is characterized by the accumulation of uric acid crystals in joints? A. Myasthenia gravis. B. Gout. C. Muscular dystrophy. D. Tetany. Answer B. Gout. 36. How many lumbar vertebrae are present in the vertebral column? A. 7. B. 12. C. 1. D. 5. Answer D. 5. 37. How many true ribs are present in the human body? A. 7 pairs. B. 8 pairs. C. 9 pairs. D. 10 pairs. Answer A. 7 pairs. 38. Which of these structures are present on the scapula? A. Tibia. B. Patella. C. Acromion. D. Ischium. Answer C. Acromion. 39. Metacarpals are present in A. Wrist. B. Palm. C. Digits. D. Thigh. Answer B. Palm. 40. Human skull is A. Tricondylic. B. Acondylic. C. Dicondylic. D. Monocondylic. Answer C. Dicondylic. 41. Which one of the following membrane secretes a watery fluid that lubricates and cushions the joint? A. Tendons. B. Synovial membrane. C. Ligaments. D. Cartilage. Answer B. Synovial membrane. 42. Curves in the vertebral column are A. 8. B. 4. C. 2. D. 1. Answer C. 2. 43. Cory's cycle operates in A. Cartilage. B. Muscle. C. Liver. D. Liver and muscle. Answer C. Liver. 44. Which of the following is a characteristic of a hinge joint? A. It allows rotational movement. B. It permits movement in multiple directions. C. It is found in the knee and elbow. D. It supports the skull. Answer C. It is found in the knee and elbow. 45. The edge zone of sarcomere comprise of A. Thin filaments. B. Thick filaments. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer B. Thick filaments. 46. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system in locomotion? A. Providing support and shape. B. Producing red blood cells. C. Protecting vital organs. D. Assisting in movement. Answer B. Producing red blood cells. 47. Which of the following statements about the sliding filament theory of muscle contraction is correct? A. It involves the shortening of myofibrils. B. It relies on the contraction of smooth muscles. C. It explains the movement of bones in the skeletal system. D. It describes the interaction between actin and myosin filaments. Answer D. It describes the interaction between actin and myosin filaments. 48. Which muscle type is responsible for voluntary movements like walking and talking? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Involuntary muscle. Answer A. Skeletal muscle. 49. When a muscle contracts, which protein binds to calcium ions and allows myosin to interact with actin, leading to muscle contraction? A. Troponin. B. Tropomyosin. C. Myoglobin. D. Collagen. Answer A. Troponin. 50. The tough, cord-like structure that connects a muscle to a bone is called A. Tendon. B. Ligament. C. Cartilage. D. Synovium. Answer A. Tendon. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.